Are you overwhelmed by the thought of changing your eating habits? We are bombarded with conflicting information about what to eat and what to avoid. Fad diets promise quick fixes, leaving us confused and often discouraged. It's easy to feel overwhelmed. The truth is, healthy eating doesn't have to be complicated. It's about making sustainable changes that nourish our bodies and support our overall well-being. This journey begins with understanding the fundamental principles of nutrition and developing a positive relationship with food. This guide will provide you with the knowledge and tools to navigate the world of nutrition with confidence. We'll break down complex concepts into simple, actionable steps. We'll explore the power of whole, unprocessed foods and the importance of listening to your body's needs. Remember, transforming your eating habits is a journey, not a race. It's about progress, not perfection. Let's embark on this journey together, one step at a time. One of the biggest challenges to healthy eating is the sheer volume of conflicting information out there. Every day, we're bombarded with new diets, superfoods, and health claims. It's enough to make anyone's head spin. The key is to cut through the noise and focus on the fundamentals. Look for evidence-based information from reputable sources, such as registered dietitians, nutritionists, and government health organizations. Don't fall prey to fad diets that promise rapid weight loss or other unrealistic results. These diets are often restrictive and unsustainable, and they can even be harmful to your health. Instead of seeking quick fixes, aim for gradual, sustainable changes to your eating habits. Focus on incorporating more whole, unprocessed foods into your diet and reducing your intake of processed foods, sugary drinks, and unhealthy fats. Food is more than just calories. It's a source of life, energy, and vitality. It's the fuel that powers our bodies and minds, enabling us to perform daily tasks, engage in physical activities, and maintain mental clarity. When we nourish ourselves with the right foods, we feel our best and function at our peak. A balanced diet can enhance our mood, boost our energy levels, and improve our overall well-being. Think of your body like a high-performance car. Just as a car needs premium fuel to run efficiently, our bodies require high-quality nutrients to operate optimally. Just as a car needs the right type of fuel to run smoothly, our bodies need a variety of nutrients to thrive. These nutrients include carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins, and minerals. These essential nutrients are found in whole, unprocessed foods like fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats. Each of these food groups plays a crucial role in maintaining our health. These foods provide our bodies with the vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, and fiber we need for energy, cell growth and repair, and disease prevention. They help us build a strong immune system and keep our organs functioning properly. When we eat a balanced diet rich in these nutrients, we support our physical and mental health in profound ways. We feel more energized, focused, and resilient against illnesses. On the other hand, processed foods, sugary drinks, and unhealthy fats can leave us feeling sluggish, inflamed, and more susceptible to chronic diseases. These foods can negatively impact our mood and energy levels. These foods are often high in calories, sugar, unhealthy fats, and sodium, while lacking in essential nutrients. Consuming them regularly can lead to weight gain, heart disease, diabetes, and other health issues. Making mindful food choices is key to maintaining optimal health. Section 4. Small changes, big impact, practical tips for beginners. Making sustainable changes to your eating habits doesn't require a complete overhaul overnight. It's about taking small, consistent steps that lead to lasting habits. In fact, starting with small, manageable changes is often more effective and less overwhelming. These small steps can build up over time, leading to significant improvements in your overall health and well-being. Here are a few practical tips for beginners. Start with one meal. This approach makes the transition smoother and more sustainable. Instead of trying to change your entire diet at once, focus on improving just one meal a day. This can help you gradually adapt to healthier eating habits without feeling overwhelmed. For example, make breakfast your healthiest meal of the day by incorporating more fruits, whole grains, and protein. A nutritious breakfast can set a positive tone for the rest of your day. Crowd out unhealthy choices. Instead of focusing on what you can't eat, focus on adding more healthy foods to your diet. This positive approach can make the process feel less restrictive and more enjoyable. By crowding out processed foods and sugary drinks with fruits, vegetables, and other nutrient-rich options, you'll naturally start to make healthier choices. This method helps you gradually reduce your intake of unhealthy foods without feeling deprived. Cook more often. Cooking at home allows you to control the ingredients in your food and avoid hidden sugars, unhealthy fats, and excessive sodium found in many processed foods. Plus, it can be a fun and rewarding experience to prepare your own meals. Read food labels, pay attention to serving sizes, calories, and the amounts of sugar, saturated and trans fats, and sodium listed on food labels. Understanding these details can help you make healthier choices and avoid unwanted ingredients. This information can help you make more informed choices. By being aware of what you're consuming, you can take control of your diet and make decisions that support your health goals.